All right, today we're going to go over the complex winterization technique that I use for my sports cars for the winter. Step one, thoroughly clean the car. Put stuff on the tires, whatever you like, clean the wheels. Then, this is the complicated part. I have a Porsche Maintainer. This one's a CTEK, which is the same one that Porsche sells. You can get it on Amazon. And I put it on auto mode, and then I plug it into the cigarette lighter. Now, if you want to, you can be complicated and you can lift the hood, plug it into the battery, etc. I don't do any of that. I just plug it into the cigarette lighter. It works fine. I leave these on the tender for 3 or 4 months and they've always been fine. And that's it. That's the entire winterization process that I use for my cars. So you may have a more complicated one. If so, put it in the comments, wherever they are. Enjoy. See you at the track.